Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix "this isn't working right now" generic Claude error. So you're chatting with Claude and suddenly a little banner pops up right above the typing box at the bottom of your screen. It says, "This isn't working right now." That message just means Claude's servers are either super busy, kind of like a popular ice cream shop with a long line, or there's a tiny hiccup happening behind the scenes. The very first thing to check is Claude's status page. Open a new browser tab and go to status.claude.com. This page will show you a green light if everything is fine, or a red or yellow banner if there's a bigger problem happening on Anthropic's end. If you see that colored banner, you'll know it's not just you. The whole system is catching its breath, and waiting a few minutes usually clears it right up. While you wait, click back into the message box at the bottom of the screen and try sending your message one more time. If that still doesn't work, look at the top of your browser window and click the little circular refresh arrow, or just press the F5 key on your keyboard. Another highly effective troubleshooting step is to completely log out of your session and sign back in, which frequently clears up minor loading glitches, interface freezing, or account sync issues. Look for your profile icon or initial in the top right corner of the screen, click it, and a menu will drop down. Click Log Out, then head back to Claude.ai and sign back in with your email or Google account. This forces a total refresh of your user session, clears out corrupted temporary data, and reestablishes a clean connection to the servers. Now, what if Claude is down for a while and you still need to get work done? That's where alternatives come in handy. If you use Claude through an app like Claude Code or Claude Desktop, try switching over to the web browser version at Claude.ai, since outages sometimes only affect one platform at a time. You can also open Claude in a different browser altogether, since clearing out cookies and cache in your current browser, found by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then Settings, then Privacy, can sometimes solve login-related hiccups fast. And if you're using a VPN or browser extensions, try turning those off too, since they can sometimes confuse the connection without you realizing it. If none of that works and the status page confirms a real outage, the best move is simply to save your work, take a short break, and check back in 10 or 15 minutes. These outages are almost always temporary, and it's never something wrong with you or your device. In the meantime, you can use the downtime productively. Stretch, grab a coffee, or tackle a quick offline task, since refreshing repeatedly won't speed up the fix and may only add to your frustration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.